Yellow! Jiri Prohachka just got knocked out with a lead hook. Carlos Ulberg fluid technique crushed him to the canvas. How could this happen? Well, Carlos actually injured his ACL. He likely injured his ACL, tore it, and because of this, Jiri could have continued to target the leg, but instead of that, he pointed down and said, "Let's bang," and he started cutting Carlos off against the cage here, and basically, what he's doing is he's giving a very predictable rhythm, moving up and down, and you can already see Carlos feinted that lead hook, trying to time that constant level change that Jiri does as a feint. And so Carlos times it, and he catches Jiri right on the chin with fluid technique, crushes him to the canvas, concussed, knockout. Watching this again, Jiri could have won, but his warrior code made him feel mercy towards Carlos Ulberg, and so instead of finishing the fight with low kicks, he decided to play this game instead, bobbing his head up and down, level changing that feint. Carlos lead hook times it, and because the weight distribution settles, you can't really extend, move back and forth as effectively while you're bobbing up and down like that. You're kind of stationary with a single decision. Carlos timed it perfectly, crushed him to the canvas, knockout, and the ensuing blows finished the fight. That's all she wrote.